Hi, this is Elldy's home page. So if you don't have Elldy's account, let's get started with sign up page. So here you can enter your basic details here. So this basic details is enough for creating your Elldy's account. So once you successfully created your account, then go to login. So yes. So once you log in successfully, you enter home page. So then go to settings. Some settings are required here. So if you don't have business, and if you don't have departments, no worry. So you can enter your personal details here. Your personal details absolutely accepted here. So once you complete these setting details, then go to departments. So you can enter any number. There is no restrictions in department names. You can enter your any name and different names, any names. So data analyst. So once department created successfully, then go to view baskets. So view baskets, here baskets can organize our data like folders, and it is like a containers. So it can handle different data sets in single basket. So I want to here, this is, I'm going to create baskets. So you can give any name, that is absolutely your wish. So I have insurance data set, so I'm go with insurance analysis. Yes, my business name is data analyst. So save basket. Yes, basket create successfully. So this is insurance analysis is my basket what I created now. So now I want to upload a data set. So here you can see some options. So I choose first one. So like a plus symbol, add. So I have some departments already. So I choose one department and then upload my insurance file. Yes, I uploaded. So it is, so this is my data preview. So this is CSV file and confirm, and yes, confirm. Now so this is all of this my data sets. So now I upload this insurance file. So now I want to check my data. So this is my data from the data set. So here some modeling options. So I'm back to datasets. So here I have another option here. So view summary. So I want to check my summary. So how LD algorithms cleaned out data. So here enter this activity tells how LD algorithms create my entered data, clean my entered data set, because my data set have some missing values, duplicate values. So it is cleared, everything it is clear with one single click. So you can check here, remove one duplicate value. So yes, so I have initial rows, 1300 plus initial rows I have. So then go to datasets again. So I want to do analysis with the insurance dataset, then go to merge. So I choose my basket and department. So yes, this is my data set. I choose I choose vertical merge. So vertical merge is enough for now. So confirm. Here I have confirm option. Yes, confirm. Yes, my dataset successfully landed in onboarding datasets. Now data flow, I want to check my data flow. This is my data flow, dataset flow. So yes, it is ready for an analysis instantly with some 1 or 2 clicks just. So then go to onboarding, then go to screens. I want to create master screen. So I have an option create a master screen. So I want to name it insurance analysis again. So master screen is nothing but a dashboard analysis. So I choose here my data set and select it and successfully create master screen. So insurance analysis, this is my master screen. So now I need a subscreen for analysis. So each master screen have different screens. So you can create number of screens under one master screen. So I'm going to create analysis, insurance analysis. So here insights. So this is my screen name and select insurance, my data set. So here I successfully created my screen under master screen. So now I open analysis. So here I have different options and different calculations. So quick stats. So in quick stats I have different stats here. Sum count, mean, median, standard deviation, skewness, cortices. So unique count, coefficient. So I choose histogram and so I have x variables here. So in x variables, so all of my columns presented here. So in y variables here only numeric values presented. So y variables are my target variables. So now I choose. So I want to know my data behavior. So I want to choose so charges one column and then go to stats, quick stats, and I choose unique count. It's like head count. So this is my data behavior, how my data is. It is absolutely right side skew. So here, so you have different stats groupings. So and trend analysis, comparative correlation analysis, insights. So every group has a different calculation, different measurements, and different operations aggregations. So you can choose different for different analysis.